Hello, home bosses. This is the third video in our series about how Amazon decides which books get seen. In the first video, I explained how Amazon works like a search engine, and in the second, we talked about book titles and how being clever can sometimes hurt visibility. Today, we're talking about something that causes a lot of confusion: keywords. These are the 7 keyword boxes you fill in when you upload your book. And this is where many people either get stuck or they try to do too much. So let's simplify it. Amazon uses your keywords to understand what your book is about and who it's for, and when to show it. But it's not about cramming in as many words as possible, and it's definitely not about repeating what's already in your title or subtitle. So here's the truth. If you already have keywords in your title or subtitle, you don't need to add them again in your back-end keyword boxes. Amazon already sees them. Repeating them doesn't help, it just wastes space. What should we use the keyword boxes for then? Use them to give Amazon extra information that your title and subtitle don't cover. Think about things like themes, age group, style, season or occasion, who the book is for, what problem it solves, and what experience it offers. So, for example, if your title is Calm and Color, a floral coloring book for adults, your keywords might include relaxing flower designs, adult coloring stress relief, mindfulness coloring pages, floral creative activities, meditative line art, ideal for creative downtime, peaceful drawing practice. Each of these adds context and clarity, and none of them repeat the title or subtitle directly. So now a quick note about keywords like book, gift, Christmas, and so on. You may have heard that Amazon doesn't want promotional terms in the keyword boxes, and that's mostly true. And it's mainly true for words like best or bestseller and so on, but sometimes they also flag words like gift or Christmas. I know that's happened to me. So instead of writing gift for teenage girls or Christmas coloring book, try safer versions like ideal for teen girls, holiday themed coloring, fun festive coloring for kids, creative activities for winter holidays, relaxing pages for teens. They still help Amazon understand the book, but they avoid promotional phrasing or seasonal triggers that might cause issues. Also, you don't need to fill every single keyword slot if it doesn't feel relevant. It's okay to leave 1 or 2 blank if you've already covered what matters. The biggest mistake I see, well, people either guess random keywords or they try to cram in every variation of a word in one box, like coloring book for girls, coloring book for kids, coloring book for boys, kids coloring book, girls coloring book. That doesn't help. It just looks messy and adds up to confusing information about the book. A better approach is to group similar ideas together in one keyword box, like this: creative activities for kids aged 8 to 12, relaxing coloring pages for teens, inspiring quotes for young readers. That's just an example, but this gives Amazon more clarity and it makes your book listing more professional. So to summarize, don't repeat your title or subtitle, don't keyword stuff, and focus on clarity and context. And you can group similar ideas together, and you can skip a slot if it's not useful and avoid promotional or banned terms. So just use safe versions instead. And remember, keywords aren't magic. They're just one part of the bigger picture, but they can definitely help Amazon match your book to the right reader, especially when combined with a clear title, subtitle, and description. So I hope this helped you feel more confident about keywords, and let me know in the comments if you've been doing this already or if you'll make some changes. And if you missed the first 2 videos in this series, I'll link them at the end. And also, if you want more support with your publishing journey, I'd love to invite you to join my new Home Boss Publishing Academy. This is where we are going to have weekly live calls, challenges, book idea sessions, and lots of behind the scenes insight into how I run my own publishing business. We've already got an amazing group forming, and I'd love for you to be part of it. There's still a chance of getting in at the cheaper price of $37 per month. This is for the first 50 members only, and the price will go up after that. So I'll put the link below this video. And in the next video, I'll be talking about Amazon categories, how they've changed, what matters now, and how to choose the right ones without overthinking it. So if you've ever wondered where your book should sit on Amazon or why it's not showing up in the charts, that video will help. So thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.